When we look at some of our forecasts, the main ones are GDP growth. We expect to continue to slow. In 2023, the growth rate annualized at 2.5% for the year. We're expecting that to be down somewhere around 2% for this year, and the same thing for next year. So a little bit slower than average economic growth, but yet hopefully we're believing it's going to remain positive and not actually go into a recession. Another thing we want to point out is interest on inflation. Headline CPI for the year was 3.3% last year. We're expecting that to moderate somewhere around 3%. Actually, by the end of the year, it'll probably be under 3%. But when you average the year, it's going to come in somewhere probably around 3 to 3.1%. And same thing for next year. The Fed funds rate, we're believing that to drop from that 5.25%, 5.5% range down to somewhere around 5, maybe even a little bit less, depending on how the inflation and job numbers come in towards the end of the year. So overall, a slowing economy, but yet we believe there's going to be a return to profitability for companies and slow but positive growth over the next year or so.